welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami bird finger puppet, and it's very cute and you can experiment with all the different color combinations and you can make it however you want, and you can also add things like feathers and googly eyes like I did here and things like that. So let's get started. So the things you will need is some paper, and this paper has to be square and the same length on both sides, and one googly eye, some glue and some markers or something to colour in with. So let's get started. So the first step is to fold your paper into a triangle like this and try to get it as even as possible, and this might take some time. And once you do that step, let's open our paper. And now we're going to make a kite shape. And to make a kite shape, you're just going to fold it like this. And making it a bit pointy on this side. And then doing the same thing on the other side, like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper, and then you should get this shape. And then what you're going to do is we have to find the middle, and to find the middle we're just going to turn it the other way, and we're going to make this bit join up to the other side so both the points get connected. And then we're not going to fold it completely, we're just going to make a teeny little mark with our fingers here at the top, just so we can see where the middle is, and then wherever the fold or creases, that's the middle. And then we're going to fold this fat bit and ignore this pointy bit. So we're going to fold it in like this, and it's fine if you don't make this bit as pointy, but try to get it as pointy as possible. And then you fold it like this, and then we're just going to tuck this piece in so you can move it up and play around with it just to get it correctly in place. And if it's not going in place, you can use some glue if you want to stick it down, but I think maybe folding it might be a bit easier, so just try and get it to be folded. This might take some time. And then you have your paper bird, your origami paper bird, and now let's move on to the next step. So now we've finished making our bird, let's colour it in. So I'm going to start off by making the beak. And now I'm going to do the body in a rainbow colours. So now that we've coloured him in, let's make a smile on his beak. And now let's draw some feathers. And finally, let's give him one googly eye. So now we've made our paper bird, origami paper bird, and this is what it looks like. And I really like the googly eye and the smile and the feathers. And I have these birds that I made earlier to give you some inspiration for birds that you're going to make. So these are some examples, and there's many different color combinations and patterns that you can choose. I really like the colors on all of them, and so I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that your birds go good, and I really hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.